Have you ever wondered what would happen if farm animals lived underwater? Hiti. In this exciting kids' educational video, we explore the silly and imaginative idea of cows, goat, and sheep trying to live under the sea. While this can't happen in real life, it's a fun way to learn for both land and sea animals. Dolphin is carnivorous, eats fish, squid, and crustaceans. Dolphin is intelligent, can solve problems, and use tools. Dolphin is a mammal, breathes air through a blowhole. Dolphin lives in oceans and some rivers around the world. Dolphin communicates using clicks, whistles, and body movements. Goat can climb rocks and hills very easily. Some goats even live in the mountains. Goat loves to eat grass, leaves, and vegetables, but it should not eat paper or trash, even though it might try. A. Goat has been living with humans for over 9,000 years, one of the first animals ever farmed. Yellow cichlid is omnivorous, eats flakes, pellets, vegetables, and occasional protein. Yellow cichlid is bright yellow in color with black-tipped fins. Yellow cichlid is peaceful but can be territorial, especially during breeding. Yellow cichlid is a mouth brooder. Female carries eggs in her mouth. Yellow cichlid lives in freshwater, originally from Lake Malawi in Africa. Sharks don't have bones like we do. Their bodies are made of cartilage, the same stuff in your nose and ears. It's bendy and light. Sharks lose teeth all the time, but new ones grow back in rows. Some sharks grow thousands of teeth in their lifetime. Some sharks keep swimming, even when they rest. They never stop moving, because they need water flowing through their gills to breathe. Shark is a big fish that lives in the ocean and has been around for millions of years. Shark has sharp teeth and a strong sense of smell to help it find food. Crabs belong to the group called crustaceans, related to lobsters, shrimp, and crayfish. Crabs have a tough outer shell, called an exoskeleton, that protects their body. They must molt, shed their shell, to grow. Crabs have 10 legs, with the front 2 being claws, chellae, used for catching food and defending themselves. Sheep have thick wool that keeps them warm in cold weather. People use the wool to make things like sweaters, blankets, and scarves. Sheep have excellent vision. They can see almost 360 degrees around them, which helps them spot predators like wolves or dogs. Sheep have very good memories and can remember a specific person or animal for a long time. They even recognize faces. Turtle is an ancient animal that has been around for over 200 million years, even before dinosaurs. Turtle moves slowly on land but can swim fast in water, especially sea turtles, which can reach speeds of 35 kilometers per h, 22 miles per hour, in the ocean. Turtle is a herbivore or omnivore, meaning it can eat plants, fruits, and even small animals. Cow is a gentle farm animal that gives us milk, which we use to make cheese, butter, yogurt, and ice cream. Cow can sleep while standing up or lying down, but it only sleeps for a few hours each day. Cow is very important in farming and helps people all over the world by giving milk, meat, and even helping in fields. Hammerhead sharks have a head shaped like a hammer. That's why they're called hammerheads. Their wide head helps them see better, almost like having eyes on both sides of the room. Hammerheads have an amazing sense of smell. They can smell a drop of blood in the water from far away. Even though they look scary, hammerhead sharks are usually not dangerous to humans. Hammerhead sharks must keep swimming to breathe, so they never stop moving. Horse is a big, strong animal that has been a friend to humans for thousands of years. Horse has big eyes on the sides of its head, so it can see almost all the way around its body. Horse is a great helper. It has been used for riding, farming, sports, and even therapy for people. Starfish are not actually fish, they're echinoderms, related to sea urchins and sand dollars. Most starfish have 5 arms, but some species can have up to 40 arms. They eat clams, oysters, mussels, and other small marine animals. Starfish don't have a brain or blood. They come in many colors, sizes, and textures depending on the species and habitat. Anglerfish are deep-sea hunters. They live far down in the dark ocean, where sunlight can't reach. It's like being in a world of night, all the time. Anglerfish have giant mouths. Oh, their mouths are so big and stretchy, they can swallow prey as big as themselves, even in one gulp. Anglerfish are named after fishing. Their name comes from the way they angle or fish with their light, just like a real fisherman. Sheep have thick wool that keeps them warm in cold weather. People use the wool to make things like sweaters, blankets, and scarves. Sheep have excellent vision. They can see almost 360 degrees around them, which helps them spot predators like wolves or dogs. Sheep have very good memories and can remember a specific person or animal for a long time. Thanks for joining us on this silly underwater adventure with our farm animal friends. If you had fun and learned something new, give us a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more fun educational videos.